Oh shit, YouTube. It's a poem channel once again with another video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. Yeah, today we're doing public interviews in Yana, street fashion movement, Vogue Aesthetics. Make sure to follow the page on Instagram, Vogue Aesthetics. It's a poem channel once again with another video. So today I'm here with
Chantel.
Fiona. Okay, Fiona, what's your Facebook handle?
Fiona
Mkwena. Okay, I got a few questions for you, ne? Yeah, the first question is, would you rather be cheated on or be the one cheating?
Rather be the one cheating.
Why?
No, because you're in like okay, means it was a so I can't handle such pain.
Yeah, such pain. You should quit dating most, if that's so. Why?
Find someone loyal than quit dating.
It's hard to find someone loyal. You know very well.
Then I'm a wait. I will wait for the right person.
Okay. What's something toxic that boys do that you like?
Toxic, like how toxic?
Like toxic, like something that's bad. Something that you don't like. Something, yeah, but you like it in a type of way.
Like when he grabs me in public.
Yeah, you don't like it.
No.
But okay, but it makes you happy somehow.
Yeah, but not in public.
Okay. Why did you break up with your ex?
He cheated.
Once or twice?
Twice.
Did you stay for the first time?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he apologized and I forgive him because I loved him. Yeah.
Okay. How many days get goalie? How many days get goalie? How many days get goalie?
Like literally, how long it lasted? Like 2 months.
You get goalie.
Like how? I don't understand.
How many days? You're not on TikTok?
No.
Okay, I understand. Okay, so Chantel. What's your Facebook handle?
Chantel Zikali.
Okay. Would you rather be cheated on or be the one cheating?
To be cheated on.
Why?
I can't cheat. That's it. So yeah.
You can't?
Yeah, that's how I am.
Wow, no, so you're gonna be hurt.
I know, but then I'll pray to God, so I'll be okay.
Okay, you're loyal.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Second question is, what's something toxic your boy does that you like?
When he ignores me the whole day, then be text me. Yeah, later on.
Okay. Why did you break up with your ex?
He cheated, so I loved him.
How many times?
2 times.
2 times?
Yeah.
Oh, you gave him another chance.
No, I only read my books twice. So after that, it's try.
Yo, okay, how many days get goal?
3 days.
Oh, yeah. Come on, man. You should know these things, man. Okay, thank you for your time, ne? So I'm back again with another video. So today I'm here with
Mimi Taurus.
Okay, you are?
Winter K.
You are?
Indigo.
Okay, I got a few questions for you guys, ne? So the first question is, would you rather be cheated on or be the one cheating?
I'd rather be the one cheating.
Why?
Because cheating is nice, bro.
Nice. So whenever you're a cheater?
No, not unless you give me a reason to cheat.
Okay, currently, are you cheating on a boyfriend?
No.
How? Yo. Okay. What's something that's toxic that the boy does, ne? That you like?
That I like.
That's toxic.
I don't like toxic niggas.
Okay. Why did you break up with the ex?
Why then? I forgot.
How? Come on, one thing, Yana.
He replaced me.
How? While you were still with him?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm sorry, ne? I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Okay. What's something that's toxic that your boy ever did, ne? That made you think this relationship is over? You're done with him.
Let me try to remember. Yeah, he was with a girl, like right in front of me.
Yo,
Yeah.
and you were jealous and you felt like, no, yeah, I'm not doing this anymore.
Yeah, I felt like stabbing him to death. Unfortunately, I didn't have a knife with me.
Yo.
Hey, banna.
Oh.
Hey, banna.
Yeah, so the motherfucker was lucky.
Hey, my guy, watch out, you're in danger, yo. This one, yo. Okay, thank you. Okay, what's your IG hand?
My IG handle is Shady K.
Okay, Sherry K. Would you rather be cheated on or be the one cheating?
I'd rather be cheated on.
Why?
I'm loyal. I don't cheat.
Oh, you're a loyal girl, nah?
Yes.
Okay. What's one thing that's toxic that the boy does, nah? That you like it? That you like?
Something that's toxic that a guy
that I
does.
like. Yeah. The boy.
Nothing. I don't like people who are toxic. Nothing.
But I'm sure there's that one thing that the boy does that's toxic.
Nah, my gent is fine. It's not
perfect.
toxic. Not perfect, but yeah, it's not toxic.
Okay. What's that one thing your boy ever did that made you think this relationship is over?
Something they did. He posted another hand while we were still dating.
So okay, you felt jealous. So what up, my guy? Hey, are you on weed or what? Okay, so why did you break up with your ex?
She cheated
How many times?
twice.
Twice. So for the first time you gave him another chance, nah?
No. I found out about the first time when I found out about the second time.
Yo. Lightning. Pa. Yo. I'm really sorry, man. Okay, thank you for your time. Man. Sure. Okay, so what's your IG handle?
I don't have one.
You don't have one?
Yeah.
Okay, would you rather be cheated on or be the one cheating?
I'd rather be the ones cheating.
Why?
I mean, okay, a lot of guys cheated on me though. A lot of guys I dated though.
Okay. What's that one thing that your boy does that's toxic that you like?
I don't like anything about toxic people because I'm super loyal.
What's something that your boy did that made you think you're done with him? That one thing.
He ghosted me.
What's it mean? You don't like to be ghosted?
Yeah.
Mother, that's part of a relationship.
No, if you tell me straight that you're breaking up with me.
Okay. Why did you break up with him?
He was savage.
Savage.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was super rude. Treated me like I'm
Super
his
rude.
sister. Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
I understand. I get it. Thank you, ne?
Thank you.
Ayo, it's a wrap for you. Ayo, I'm back. It's a poem Jamero once again with another banger. So today I'm here with
Chanel. Charlize.
Charlize. Oh, what's your age handle?
Chanel.
Okay, Chanel. Okay, the first question is, would you rather be cheated on or be the one cheating?
I would rather not be cheated on and not be the one cheating.
No. You can't go both
Okay, I'd
ways.
rather be cheating
Why?
because it's not nice getting hurt.
So you'd rather hurt him? Yo.
I prefer me hurting him, not him hurting me.
Okay. What's something toxic your boy does that you like?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. What's the one thing your boy ever did that made you think this relationship is over?
Texted me late.
Oh, Jay. What if he was busy or?
But still, you can't be busy like the whole day and text me the next day.
Sometimes, some things come up, and you can't hold your phone, so you have to understand.
It's impossible. But
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
This is life.
It's not.
You don't know what happens
Okay,
next.
well, it's not part of my life. Yeah.
All right, come on. You'll understand, In
I'll
some
try
time.
to understand.
So why did you break up with the ex?
He was cheating.
Once or how many times?
I'm not sure.
Sure.
I'm not sure how many times.
Okay, so you didn't give him another chance, man.
No.
No. Come on, man.
No.
Life gives you another chance. Why don't you give him another chance?
No, because I'm scared he'll do it again.
Okay. Okay, how many days get Oli?
2 days.
Boya.
3 days.
Yini sinkwa ngesikisi.
Albani.
Esi brownie.
Brady.
Yini nkukhu ngesikisi.
Chicken tasty.
Encane.
Full chicken.
Yini stove ngesikisi.
2 plate.
Okay. What's your hand?
Lomi Smith.
Okay, Lois Smith.
But there are 2 of them, so
Okay, you can share both of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so would you rather be cheated on or be the one cheating?
I'd be the one cheating.
Why?
Fuck no, nobody cheats on me.
Oh, why?
Play the game, don't let the game
Oh,
play.
okay. Okay. You're the biggest boss, eh?
Kinda.
Okay. So, what's something your boy does, man, that's toxic, but you like it?
So far, it's nothing.
It's nothing. Okay, what's that one thing your boy has ever done that made you think your relationship is over?
Nothing.
You've done nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, he's a good boy.
I just like people that are here at place. I'm fun muntu or sweet. You understand?
Okay, why did you break up with your ex?
I didn't break up with my ex. I played my ex.
Played him.
Hey, banna.
Oh.
Hey, banna.
You're dangerous, Miss Wen. Yo, boys, watch out. Yo, this girl. Yo, make sure, my guy. Yo. How many days get Oli?
2 days.
Boya.
I don't do that.
You're not on TikTok?
I am on TikTok, but I didn't cram it. Sorry.
You didn't grab it? Okay, another day, another dollar.
Sambe sababona.
Oh, Maradoga yakwadi.
Another day, that of bread.
Ah.
Don't mind my language. I'm tipsy. So.
Okay, unyaka apule. Okay. Okay, thank you for your time there, guys. Peace out.
Peace out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ayo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, your family, whatever.